Is there anything else more satisfying than this? Oh, I love makeup. Hey guys, it's Abby from Make Life Your Runway, and I'm here with my weekly makeup basket. Y'all, it's been a week. It's been good, but it's been a week. And I got some stuff to say about this makeup, okay? So if you like makeup and you like weekly makeup baskets, shop my stash, everyday makeup drawer videos, then just keep watching. Here we go. Alright, so as far as the makeup basket express, we're just going to keep that the same. That was in the video 2 weeks ago. So not last week, but the week before. So we're just going to focus in on this makeup. And I did get through... Morty is antsy down here. Sorry, and Lily is here too. Okay, she's like, hey. I did get through everything in here, surprisingly. So we're going to pull out and decide what we're going to put back. And we got some talking to do about some of these products. She said, move over, Morty. I can do this too. Okay, so she apparently is not going to move. Oh, and Morty's going to come talk about it. All right, we got a situation here. You guys like feel her sass? Oh, remember last week I told you guys Morty's eye was watering, and I was like, oh, I gotta keep an eye on that. He has another retina ulcer, which he had last summer, but I think it's in a different eye, but we caught it right away, so it's healing up fine. He has another vet appointment in a couple of days Saturday, so we'll see what the update is. Okay, so these are the products we pulled out last week, and I really enjoyed a lot of them. Again, got some more love out of NARS Laguna Classic. You guys told me you picked up another one after not having it for a while. It's just classic. You can't go wrong with it. But we'll put it back. We've had it for 2 weeks. Loved it. Je ne sais quoi, It Cosmetics. Still really love this. We'll put it back, but I absolutely love it. I enjoyed using the Laura Geller Bacon Blush in Tropical Hues. Beautiful formula, easy to use, a beautiful glow. Enjoyed using that. Last week I went over the products that stay in my basket, and we're not going to talk about them again today. If you're curious and missed that video, go check it out. But this is one, the Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot Banana Light. I really loved using the Becca Highlight in Pearl. Love that a lot. Laura Lee posted part 2 of her makeup declutter. They're very long. They're like an hour each. And she's been spilling some tea on products. And it's just kind of interesting hearing someone who's not so much in the makeup influencer spotlight anymore, just like speaking honestly about stuff. She's not like going too hard, but it's just stuff that you're like, okay, let your feelings out, girl. But she was talking about Becca. Okay, and then I also pulled out Becca Opal, and I like this. I like it by itself, and I like it as a highlight topper. You know, I know we got a highlight topper crew here. So enjoyed that. I'm going to put all of those back, and we'll fill that back up. And then this combo that we chose last week, like, I just don't know. I don't think they played well together. The Revlon Photo Ready and the Laura Mercier Flawless. This is the Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I just think this Laura Mercier foundation is very difficult. It looks pretty cakey on my face until my makeup's done, and then it all ends up being nice. So it's kind of a difficult formula to use, and I think it probably needs more of like a moisturizing type primer to it, but this one being kind of more silicone, not completely, but more of that category. They just did not play well together, so I did not enjoy my makeup this week. I mean, it was okay. Like, I didn't hate it, but I wasn't like just in love every time I applied it. So we'll put those back, and we'll just kind of keep playing through, see what else we got. I did not get around to using these lipsticks that we pulled last week, so I'm just going to set those to the side to keep for another week. I really enjoyed this combo this week of the Naked 3 and the Huda Beauty Palette. It was so pretty because the shimmers in here are pretty like natural. Nothing too crazy happening, but I really love this palette. I pulled it for 2 weeks, so we will put it back. But I thought it was really nice using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions because these are more like in your face type shimmer shades, and the color tones paired really well together. So really enjoyed this combo for the week, but we will put that back. Makeup Forever lives in here, so we'll just sit it to the side. Hourglass lives in here, we'll sit it to the side. Okay. And I used this gloss. I really liked it. The Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. And this one is in the color Reef. So we'll put that back. These are the only 2 products in here that do not live in here. I do enjoy the Marc Jacobs. This is nice. The Finish Line, but we'll put that back. And then I also enjoy the Cover FX Power Play. Really nice product. Enjoyed using all of those. But I am definitely ready to put these away and just kind of explore what we're gonna pull. I posted my 20 and 20 Project Pan finale that is up on my channel. It went up this week. This week I'm gonna film and post my 20 and 21 intro. So that gives us another week of not having anything that we're panning. So free, full range of the collection. Okay, so the first shelf, we have bigger eyeshadow palettes, lips, eyes, and random palettes. So I really wanna start over here, and actually, I really wanna pull this. This is the Jaclyn Hill Classic Palette, the first one by Morphe. And I think this would be a good one to pull. I haven't pulled it in a little while. And yeah, I always say it every time I pull it. It's a little bit neglected in my collection, but I think it's good. I think we pulled it for Palette of the Month, one of the months last year. And we'll just give it some love for this week. All right, for lips, we have 2 lipsticks pulled, and we have 2 matte lipsticks in the Makeup Basket Express, but I would like to pull maybe another gloss. And let's see, we have, let's go with this Laura Mercier. This one is in the color Free Spirit. I haven't pulled it in a while, so we'll see how she's doing this week. Okay, that is gonna be everything for I was gonna say in here, for the top shelf. Okay, great. So since we have that huge palette, we can skip these more normal sized palettes, and then we have like smaller ones up here. So we'll just skip all of those, and we'll come in here for concealers. Let's see what we're thinking. We pulled the Camo Cover FX. It's like a lot of concealers, but then I feel like we rotate through them pretty quickly, and this is where I feel like I should have a larger collection to be doing these videos, but we're here. We'll just go with classic L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and this is in 355 Vanilla. Really love this one. So we'll put that back. And then I'm going to pull out the rest of these drawers so we can talk about it. We'll do bronzer, highlighter, blush, setting powders, and foundation. Is there anything else more satisfying than this? Oh, I love makeup. All right, so we'll start backwards. Usually we pick powder, foundation, that type of thing first, but we'll just start here with bronzer. We had the NARS for a couple of weeks, so we were pretty good with that, but I think it's time to switch up. Okay, Jessica Braun, you know, has been talking about this so much, and I've had it for so long, and I think it's okay. Like, I like it. I don't think I love it as much as her, but seeing her love for it, like, she's hit pan, the whole package is broken. I'm just like, okay, let me play with it some more. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It Sunkissed Bronzer, and this one is in 2 medium. And it's nice because it's a beautiful color and it has a little bit of sheen to it, so it reflects off your face really nicely. So we'll go ahead and pull this for the week, and I'm actually pretty excited to use it. For highlighters, Juvia's. I actually know exactly what I want to pull. I'm going to pull both of these. Pixie by Petra. I have 2. I have Subtle Sunrise and I have Delicate Dew. And Delicate Dew I've had for a while, but I haven't played with this one as much. So we'll pull both of these and just show as much love as we can to that product. Beautiful formula. You know, Pixie, I haven't tried a lot from them. And from my experience, it's a lot of hit or miss, but those are like a total hit. Alright, and then as far as, I was going to say highlighters and blush. Hello. Woohoo! Whoa. Ooh, let's just stick with the trend of pulling a couple of things. I think I have a smaller one in here. I thought I did. Like looking around. Maybe I decluttered it. I must have. Okay. So these are Physicians Formula, and this is their butter line, but they're the blushes. So we have this one, which is a nice color called Peachy Beach. And then you can see they look pretty similar in the packaging, but they are different on the face. This one you can tell is more peachy, and this one is more of a brown color, and it's called Copacabana. So you could probably see it better if I took... You know what? I did declutter. Like, it's the end of the day, and I think my word bank, my brain has stopped. Okay. As you can tell, this one is the more peach one, and this is the more brown one. I remember last time I used this more copper one, I was like, I'm not sure, but let me keep it. So maybe we'll make a decision by this point. I'm not sure, but we're definitely going to pull these two products. Ooh! Alright guys, no buy check-in. We're almost at the end of January. We have about one more week left in January. I know some of you guys were doing a month or 3 months. I don't think very many committed to the 6 months that I did. So I'm curious how you guys are doing. I have not bought anything, but one of my go-to products, my Wonder Brow, is actually almost out. So I think I am going to repurchase that, which is fine because I love that stuff, and I don't really have another brow gel to replace it that I would love as much. So that's going to be something that you see me repurchase here soon. But outside of that, we've been pretty good. Okay, so I want to pick a primer, and where do we want to go? I have a smaller of the Laura Mercier Radiance in the Makeup Basket Express, so we'll just kind of skip out on that one. And could always go back to the Wet n Wild, the primer serum. But I want to go back to this. It's a little sample, but this is the It Cosmetics Primer Oil Free. This is their makeup gripping primer. I did use this during Vlogmas for the first time, and I haven't used it since, honestly, since that video. So we will go ahead and pull this, and only this for the week, and really give it some attention. Sorry, my timer is going off because I'm kind of I'm making some cookies. I'm making some bacon for the week to eat with breakfast, and I'm about to just throw a pizza in. I had therapy tonight, and it was good. It's still really good. We started spacing out every other week, and you know, every session is so heavy that I find myself just going to my comfort foods, which for me it's pizza and cookies apparently. Which you guys know I'm a personal trainer, so I just keep it real. I'm not about to play games with y'all, but so that's why it's beeping. Just thought I would share that with you. Also, I launched my TikTok career. It's at Make Life Fit, and it's going to be all health, primarily my grocery hauls. So I know you guys like my grocery hauls, and if you've been missing them, they just don't do well on this channel, so I kind of backed off posting them. But they are over on TikTok. Hopefully they do well. I'm waking up every day hoping I'm famous on TikTok. I'm day 2. Not there yet. Oops, 10 subscribers. We're not there yet. Ooh, let's pull a couple of foundations. Let's just play this week with foundations. BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation, Naturally Flawless. This was given to me, and then I've had it for a year, so I probably really need to get rid of it, but I do want to pull it this week and just see kind of how I feel about it. So we will pull that, and then let's pull this one we haven't pulled for a while, the CoverGirl True Blend. This is the hydrating foundation smoothing natural finish, and I like this. I do have the concealer to go with it. Let me go ahead and grab that. We'll have 2 concealers for the week. This is the CoverGirl True Blend concealer, and I think they're both in the same color. Yeah, classic ivory. So haven't pulled this foundation in a while either, because we were panning so many especially in the last year. You know, I was trying to get that project in overdrive, trying to make some goals happen. So it's kind of fun to be exploring the collection again right now. So we're good on primers, foundation, grabbed an extra concealer, and then I think I want to do press this week. Do it? Yeah, so let's grab a couple of press. Ooh, we're just grabbing it all. Let's do the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Sateen 05. It's actually a pretty good color for me. And then I also want to pull this because this is kind of like a multitasker. This is the number 7 Triple Action Finishing Light in the color Light Powder. Another Jessica Braun made me buy. I could do Jessica Braun made me buy it for like my whole house. But I like this one because you can use it in 3 different ways. You can use it under your eyes to set your eyes. You can use it to set your whole face, or you can use it as a finishing powder. So we'll go ahead and use that as well. And I think that's honestly gonna be all that we select out. So yeah, let me put it all together. Okay, she is full. Ooh, okay, Jacqueline, we're just gonna sit you right over here. You're okay. Everything fits pretty nicely into this container. It's just a little container off of Amazon, and I like that I can double up, put both of these pixies in one slot. I was really surprised that these little butter ones fit, and I think I'm just gonna use keep the lipstick in the primer here just so I remember to use it. Then we have everything else in here that we had picked out. So I know we're kind of all over the place, and this was a little bit of a quicker video, but you know, that's the way cookie crumbles. I don't know. Okay, guys, I hope you're all doing well. If you have themes for a weekly makeup basket, I would love to hear them. List them down below. You know, we can pull products like that. That'd be fun. Otherwise, check out my videos from the week if you missed it. And I hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you're new. Bye!